Welcome to Nigerian Manufacturing and Trading Outlook 2025. Nigeria's manufacturing industry navigates a large landscape of challenges and opportunities. Despite immense potential from a large domestic market, it still faces hurdles like infrastructural deficits, inconsistent policies, and limited access to finance. However, strategic initiatives like the African Continental Free Trade Area present significant opportunities for African manufacturers to scale globally. Hence, the Nigerian Manufacturing and Trade Outlook event serves as a crucial platform to address these challenges, capitalize on opportunities, and also drive industrial growth across Africa. Join me as we see through the lens of the organizer, the speakers, and other stakeholders. In one word, what would you describe the Manufacturing and Trade Outlook?
Also enlightening. The event is enlightening.
Awesome. It's been engaging, impactful.
We've gotten a couple of insights, especially for the manufacturers present, on how they can scale and just better their operations, within the Nigerian market. There are not so many forums for manufacturers and people who operate in the trade sector. So having all of these people who are driving our economy through this route come together in a room like this and have important conversation on moving the economy forward and doing what they have to do to push beyond borders is quite enlightening. I think it's been delivering so far.
Of specialized talent, individuals who are skilled at different, aspects of the business in terms of manufacturing. So human capacity, capacity building, yes. The human aspect of it was one very salient thing that I took out of today's engagement. So I think it was really interesting.
Well, I think it bridges. This is a platform where relevant people who are experts in their respective domains. People who want to enter into the businesses and people who enable those businesses, whether it's in finance, whether it's in logistics, whether it's in product development, whether it's in import or export. They all come together. It's a synergy in making something happen. Good attendance. The panel was very insightful. List of panelists. So we had a lot of speakers that said so many important things. Compliance, talked about infrastructure, talked about payments. Because on my session, I talked about cross-border payments, how you can leverage stable coins to facilitate your payments, whether you're paying to China, India, Kenya, Dubai, wherever. So it's very impactful.
My name is Bridget. I work with a business called Beto. We are an international payment platform, a cross-border platform that allows businesses convert currency and also make payouts, to their destinations. For example, for the manufacturers present, a Nigerian manufacturer, for example, can give us Naira, collect Naira into the platform, do the conversion to CNY USD, and pay directly to a country like China, very seamlessly. We also offer facilities for collections of funds. So a business that has international clients, for example, can receive payments through us. They can either decide to hold it within Beto or they pay out to their local accounts or wherever they need to.
What's your opinion on the African Continental Free Trade Area?
Yeah, I think that it's something that would really improve trade within Africa, within countries. What we see right now is trading in Africa is a bit difficult, if I would say. You're paying a supplier in maybe South Africa, for example. It is really difficult to actually process those kind of payments. It takes a longer time than to take it to transfer money to the US. So I believe those are the kind of problems that would be better solved.
I know you've had a lot of offers to host that event and all that. Why did you choose this one? Why did you choose this?
Okay, so I love where important conversation I had. I love to champion conversation that do not just satisfy me as a person, but speak to things that impact the economy and all of that. So I think it was just really right for me to be here.
There's a lot of things that you've learned you can share, and there's a lot of things that you can learn from what others share. It's a journey of continuous improvement.
We are a data center company. We provide the infrastructure as well as IT systems. Manufacturers need efficient IT systems, enterprise resource planning systems that need to be efficiently deployed locally. We have world-class infrastructure over here that speaks to what manufacturers need. we need more efficient manufacturing, supply chains, management, technology. We need a lot more efficiency in the performance, the responsiveness of the IT systems. That's absolutely bang on what we do.
Yeah, that's amazing.
And we provide, also interconnect capability that links into global cloud systems efficiently. Just adds to that. So as the manufacturing industry here grows in the country, actually across Africa as well, because we have data centers in other countries in Africa, we're well placed to deliver and let the industry know that we're able to provide that global world-class quality, award-winning at the global level infrastructure, award-winning to enable them to host their IT systems and deliver the kind of performance they need to succeed.
We see that there is need for manufacturers to leverage our stable coins. Yellow Card is looking to focus on businesses, as opposed to, we know there's a lot of challenges in payments. There's a lot of challenges where people want to make payments, outside the country. So that's why I chose to be here. After the events, after they said the goodbyes and all that, I've been standing for over 30 minutes, and everybody's coming to reach out to me, because then again, the session we had on Yellow Card, I want to believe that they got something.
Exactly.
That is why they wanted to connect with me, and it's very evident that there's a solution that Yellow Card is bringing. See what is happening over the world. The adoption of stable coins is crazy. See what the United States is doing with the Genius Act. It's crazy. So why would I want to bring value? I know Yellow Card is bringing value to them. Our goal is to solve as many problems as possible that we can in the manufacturing space. So yes, I appreciate a good opportunity to come and speak about Yellow Card.
How important is this event for Omniride? You're the CEO of Omniride.
It is very important because, as I said, we have our own experiences which we'd like to share and demonstrate and communicate to people what we are and what we are capable of doing. At the same time, there are people who are experts like us in our domain, others in other domain. What we can learn from them. Is there an opportunity to integrate that within our system, make ourselves better, and build an ecosystem that is delivering for that is promised? Yeah.
My team put a lot of effort into making sure that they engage with the organizers. One, is the right kind of event for us to go to. It's the right kind of platform for us to get our message across. And also broader advocacy. It's not just about us, also making sure that we play our own part in the broader growth of the economy. And then you find it's a symbiotic thing. The growth drives the growth in what we do and vice versa.
I will need you to give one line of sentence to the organizer of this event.
Okay, I'll say well done to the team.
As Event Hive.
Yeah, hi Event Hive. Well done to the team. This kind of event actually brings up conversations that can instill operations for the people or the industries that are being spoken about, manufacturers in this instance. So, yeah, well done.
I think you guys are doing something amazing, and I want you guys to keep at it. And as you continue to do it, a lot of solutions will be drawn out of this conversation to be able to solve the problems that we're having in Nigeria, Africa as a whole, as it cuts across all various industries. Yeah. So keep it up, and well done to you guys.
Great job you're doing. I've been a part of the work and the growth in a couple of years, and I know that there's just a lot more ahead.
Jamil, you're an amazing guy. I pray that what you keep doing will keep blossoming. You continue to receive favor inside of God and inside of men. I know I'm sounding spiritual right now, but hey, it's default. This is necessary, but it takes a lot to conceptualize this kind of event and for it to come to life this way. See the amount of people that came here and have been enriched with the knowledge of what I will share. Different senior colleagues, the space and the banks came, the manufacturers came, payment guys came, and for you to put that together, that's amazing. That will finish to you, and more success coming your way. Well, see you next year.